Millions of mattresses are discarded every year. A second life for discarded mattresses. Bulky mattress waste creates landfill problems.
Most mattresses are difficult to recycle.
Collected mattresses begin their recycling journey.
Mattress waste arrives for processing. Raw mattress waste contains multiple materials. Automated recovery improves efficiency. Recycled foam gains a second life. Automated processing begins. Textile materials are separated. Old mattresses become useful foam.
Steel is extracted for recycling.
Metal waste is compacted. Metal components are recovered separately. Recovered metal is collected.
Outer layers are removed first.
Each mattress is inspected. Foam becomes a valuable recyclable material. The internal foam is exposed. Heavy-duty cutting improves efficiency. Mattresses are reduced in size. Foam is categorized for reuse. Additional products are manufactured. Large foam pieces are shredded. Dust is filtered out.
Material quality is verified.
Material is prepared for remanufacturing. One final product is carpet underlay. Foam particles are bonded together. Underlay sheets begin forming. New foam blocks are formed. Pressure bonds foam together. Pressure forms dense sheets. Heat stabilizes the material. Cooling finalizes the structure. Finalizes the structure.
Products are cut to standard sizes.
The foam solidifies. Foam becomes useful household products. Blocks are resized.
Recovered steel is prepared for recycling.
Products are packaged. Finished underlay awaits shipment. Foam products are stored. Distribution logistics begin. Products leave the factory. From discarded mattresses to useful products. The recycled underlay improves comfort. Mattress waste becomes flooring material. Subscribe for more hidden recycling factories and industrial transformations.